It is the morning of August 31st, and welcome to my front yard dahlia patch. I'm going to take you guys on a quick morning walkthrough and just show you some of the varieties and let you see them in that cool morning air. It's like 10 degrees right now, really cold for August 31st morning, but it's nice. The dahlias are happy and the blooms are blooming well. So I'll show you some of those and yeah, check it out. So every single morning I go around the patch and I take basically every single flower that looks good to go. And I prepare them into small bunches and I sell them on a flower stand on the corner of my property. So pretty much no bloom actually lives out its full life cycle in this patch, which is fun, but I never get to see them go all the way through. So this one will be coming today and going into a bunch. And yeah, we're just gonna start preparing bunches, but I wanna show you around a little more first. This one's Sylvia. It's really great because it gives you these awesome long stems just naturally. And you don't really have to do any tricks. And every single morning you're going to get a whole bunch, even if you only have one plant. Sylvia. This one's called Ferncliff Inspiration. This row is Boom Boom, and it makes a great filler flower. So I'm cutting lots of these every day, and I'm just kind of putting them in every bunch that I make. I'll usually put one or two, because it just kind of goes with everything. Really nice. Boom Boom. So that's just some of the patch. Every morning when I cut these flowers, I'll come and I'll prepare bunches in these little kombucha bottles, and I'll put them out on my flower stand, 1 for 15, 2 for 20, and people come like crazy. It's so fun. So yeah, every flower that I'm growing, I'm using. So I'm just gonna start preparing these bunches and get them out on the stand. Thanks for checking this out. Check out some other videos. There's some really cool ones where I cut a dahlia every single day. Right now I'm at day 41. So it's pretty fun. Check that out too. See you later.